Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you a new product, how to protect and keep your metal objects looking lovely, polished and shiny, and just restoring it back to its original form. And I'm going to use a product, so this is what I'm going to be doing today, and as you can see this is the condition of it. So it's just a log holder. I'm going to show you the handles as well, the conditions of those. So that's a close-up, just to give you an idea what we're dealing with. And you can see this part as well. So I'm using a product called a Peak, and you may have seen it. I've used this before on cutlery, and this is meant to be a protection. And I know this, but I'm not going to buy a new one. But you can get these from Amazon, and it protects and shines and polishes all metal. So I'm going to be using it on this today and see how this works. I mean, it works. And as you can see, that has come up beautifully. Unfortunately, I didn't record it. I was actually recording, and I didn't have my... And then I stopped recording, and I completely forgot. So you didn't get to see that. So what we're going to do, no worries, we're going to do a close-up of this part here. And I'm going to do it here so that you get to see what I'm talking about. So let's put the paste on now. Then we're going to get our cloth, and we're going to... The good thing about this product is you don't need to give it too much of a scrub, and it really does just shine instantly. So I have used this product on the silver part, and as you can see there is the shine. So I'm going to show you on the other side me doing that. Okay, so let's work on this bit. Obviously you can see that hasn't been done, so we're going to get some of the product on here. like so, and then I'm going to go in just with a cloth. I mean, you can literally see it instantly shining there. But yeah, and I haven't buffered that, so let's buffer it and just see. And there you go, you can see that compared to the back. Look at the back and then look at the sides. There's the difference. So I'm going to continue to do all of this, and then we're going to see the finishing touch. And there we go. I think that's come out a little bit better than what it looked like before, and I've done all the back as well. So I'm very happy with that. Everything is a lot shinier, all from using this one product called Peak. So yeah, you can see I've fully used it. You can see that even before, when I'd started this video, it had been used, and that's how much I highly recommend it. So as you can see, it's not something that I'm being sponsored or anything else. It's something that I do actually use, and I lose my last piece just to show you how good these metals shine up and protect and get polished. And yes, I need now to get myself another one, because I'm going to be doing other stuff that I have for tools. You can use it on anything, like I said, for all metals, and yeah, keep them, protect them, and keep them looking brand new and shiny. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's helped, and I'll leave a link down below for this beautiful product. Hope to see you again in another video.